Are you tired of flagship phones that promise the world but fail to deliver after a few months of use? Well, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra might just change your mind. It's been 4 long months since the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra hit the shelves, and we've had the chance to put this beast of a phone through its paces. Now, we're ready to share the unvarnished truth about what it's really like to live with Samsung's latest and greatest flagship. When we first unboxed the S24 Ultra, we were blown away by its impressive specs and features. But as we all know, real-world performance is what truly matters. So, let's dive in and see how this phone has held up after 4 months of heavy use. First of all, we have to give Samsung props for the S24 Ultra's design and build quality. This phone is an absolute unit, but it doesn't feel like a bulky monstrosity in your hands. The sleek, industrial design with its frosted glass back and polished metal frame exudes a sense of premium quality that's hard to beat. And let's not forget about the gorgeous OLED display. Samsung has been killing it in the display game for years, and the S24 Ultra's panel is no exception. With its vibrant colors, deep blacks, and impressive brightness levels, everything from web browsing to watching videos is an absolute joy. But what really sets the S24 Ultra apart is its durability. We've put this phone through some serious abuse over the past 4 months, and it's come out relatively unscathed. Accidental drops, scratches, and even a few spills haven't managed to leave a lasting mark on this bad boy. Speaking of durability, we have to give a shout out to Samsung's decision to use titanium for the frame. Not only does it give the phone a premium look and feel, but it also adds an extra layer of protection against everyday wear and tear. Now, we know what you're thinking, but doesn't all that metal and glass make the S24 Ultra a fingerprint magnet? Well, you'd be right, but Samsung has thought of that too. The phone comes with a handy microfiber cloth in the box, which makes wiping away those pesky smudges a breeze. When it comes to performance, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is an absolute beast. Powered by Qualcomm's top-of-the-line Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and a whopping 12 gigabytes of RAM, this phone can handle just about anything you throw at it with ease. Whether you're a power user who likes to multitask with dozens of apps open simultaneously, or a hardcore gamer who demands buttery smooth frame rates, the S24 Ultra delivers. We've yet to experience any noticeable slowdowns or hiccups, even when pushing the phone to its limits. But raw performance isn't the only thing that matters. Battery life is equally crucial. And on this front, the S24 Ultra does not disappoint. With its massive 5,000 mAh battery and Samsung's intelligent power management features, this phone can easily last a full day, and then some on a single charge, even with heavy usage. We're talking about streaming Netflix for hours, playing demanding games like Genshin Impact, and constantly switching between apps. The S24 Ultra just keeps on chugging along. And when you do need to top up, the phone's 45-watt fast charging capabilities ensure you're back up and running in no time. Now, we know what you're thinking, but what about heat management? Well, Samsung has thought of that too. The S24 Ultra features a vapor chamber cooling system that does an excellent job of keeping the phone from getting too toasty, even during intense gaming sessions or when you're pushing the processor to its limits. If there's one area where Samsung has truly outdone itself, it's the camera department. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera system is an absolute powerhouse, capable of capturing stunning photos and videos in virtually any lighting condition. Let's start with the star of the show, the 200-megapixel main camera sensor. This bad boy captures an incredible amount of detail, allowing you to zoom in and crop your shots without sacrificing quality. And thanks to Samsung's impressive image processing algorithms, the photos look natural and true to life without any of the over-sharpening or oversaturation issues that plague some other phones. But the S24 Ultra isn't a one-trick pony. It's got an impressive array of secondary cameras too. The ultra-wide lens is perfect for capturing breathtaking landscapes and architectural shots, while the dual telephoto lenses, one with 3 times optical zoom and another with 5 times optical zoom, let you get up close and personal with your subjects without losing any detail. And let's not forget about the selfie camera. With its 12-megapixel sensor and advanced AI-powered features like portrait mode and autofocus tracking, the S24 Ultra ensures that your selfies look their absolute best. But it's not just about the hardware. Samsung has also done an excellent job with the camera software. The camera app is intuitive and packed with features, allowing you to easily switch between different shooting modes and tweak settings to your heart's content. One feature that really stands out is the AI-powered Scene Optimizer, which automatically detects the type of scene you're shooting and adjusts the camera settings accordingly. Whether you're taking a photo of a sunset, a portrait, or a plate of food, the S24 Ultra ensures that you get the perfect shot every time. And if you're into videography, the S24 Ultra won't disappoint either. With its ability to shoot in up to 8K resolution and support for advanced features like HDR10+ and real-time HDR, your home movies will look like they were shot by a professional. Now let's address the elephant in the room, Samsung's software. While the company has made significant strides in recent years, its One UI skin over Android still has room for improvement. Don't get us wrong, One UI is packed with features and customization options, but it can often feel a bit overwhelming and cluttered. There's a learning curve involved, and even after 4 months of use, we're still discovering new features and settings tucked away in obscure menus. That being said, once you get past the initial hurdle and get used to Samsung's way of doing things, One UI can be a joy to use. The ability to customize just about every aspect of the user interface, from the home screen layout to the app icons and system fonts, is a true power user's dream. And let's not forget about Samsung's suite of productivity features. Dex, for instance, is a game changer for anyone who needs to get serious work done on the go. Simply connect the S24 Ultra to an external monitor, and you've got a full-fledged desktop experience complete with windowed apps, a taskbar, and even support for mouse and keyboard input. Another standout feature is Samsung Notes, which allows you to take handwritten notes and sketches using the included S Pen stylus. The pressure sensitivity and palm rejection make it feel like you're writing on actual paper, and the ability to convert your handwritten notes to text is a real time saver. Of course, no discussion of Samsung software would be complete without mentioning the AI features. From the AI-powered camera modes to the on-device language translation capabilities, the S24 Ultra is packed with intelligent features that genuinely feel like they're from the future. However, as impressive as these features are, they can occasionally feel a bit half-baked or inconsistent. For instance, the on-device translation works well for simple phrases, but can struggle with more complex sentences or idioms. After 4 months of living with Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, it's clear that this phone is a true powerhouse. From its stunning design and build quality to its top-notch performance and impressive camera capabilities, the S24 Ultra ticks just about every box you could want in a flagship smartphone. But it's not perfect Samsung software, while feature-packed, can still be a bit unwieldy and confusing at times. And while the AI features are undoubtedly impressive, they can occasionally feel like they're still a work in progress. That being said, the pros of the S24 Ultra far outweigh the cons. If you're in the market for a no-compromises smartphone that can handle just about anything you throw at it, this is the phone for you. Whether you're a power user who needs a device that can seamlessly juggle work and play, a content creator who demands the best camera and video capabilities, or simply someone who appreciates top-notch hardware and cutting-edge technology, the S24 Ultra won't disappoint. Of course, all that performance and functionality comes at a price. The S24 Ultra is one of the most expensive smartphones on the market. But for those who demand the very best and are willing to pay for it, the S24 Ultra is worth every penny. At the end of the day, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a true flagship in every sense of the word. It's a phone that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in a mobile device, offering cutting-edge hardware, impressive software features, and a level of performance that few other phones can match. So what are you waiting for? If you've got the means and the desire for a true flagship experience, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is calling your name. Trust us, after 4 months of living with this beast, we can confidently say it's worth every penny.